In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. If you don't want to use iPhone default apps, don't worry, I got you. Because today I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to change them to apps of your choosing. But firstly, you need to access App Store and download apps you wish to set up. In my case, I want to change my Safari to Firefox, so I already downloaded it. And now I will go into settings. When you're ready, do the same. After entering settings, you need to scroll all the way down. Then click on Apps located at the very bottom. Now, as you can see, Default Apps section is already at the top. So after clicking on it, tap on one of those sections you want to manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on Firefox to apply it. And go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Don't worry, I tested it on this iPhone and many others, so I can assure you it will work. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!